Hey guys, Dave with the First Place Auto Parts, and we are thrilled to offer the complete line of the Right Stuff brake companies. Not only their disc brake conversion kits, their repair components, and also their fuel and brake lines, all of which are pre-bent and offered in OEM steel and stainless steel. Now look, if your car can't stop, it shouldn't go. And the Right Stuff, we know that. They manufacture parts that fit the way they're supposed to fit and come with all the components you need to install them and do the job right the first time. Everything from the disc brake conversion kits to the repair components. Maybe your car just needs a certain component. Maybe you need to upgrade the calipers or your rotor's warped. They have those parts too. And when you're plumbing your vehicle, look, they have a complete line of pre-bent lines that make the installation of a full disc brake kit conversion easy in both stainless steel and OEM steel as well. So when you need something for your brakes, if you have a muscle car or you have a truck, anything from the 50s to the 90s, for First Place Auto Part at fpautoparts.com is going to have the Right Stuff components you need to get your car back on the road, make it stop harder, or just make it safer overall.